Let's create a fun variation of a spring roll today using fresh fruit. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where every week we get together in the kitchen, we have a lot of fun, we create new, delicious, healthy recipes together that hopefully keep you inspired. Today, we're going to be making fruit spring rolls with yogurt sauce. Let's begin by making an easy, spicy lemon yogurt sauce. To a small bowl, add in 1/2 cup of your favorite unsweetened yogurt. I am using a coconut-based one just for a dairy-free version, but use what works best for your dietary needs. For just a bit of sweetness, add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey or your preferred sweetener. Things like stevia, lakanto, pure maple syrup, all will work really great in this recipe. The zest from 1 organic lemon, which is about 1 tablespoon, please be sure to use organic so that you avoid those nasty pesticides that we definitely don't want in our sauce. Also, when you're making recipes and you want to add in some lemon flavor, but you don't actually want to use the lemon juice, remember you can always substitute with lemon zest. It's high in vitamin C and it definitely tastes like a lemon. 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a little bit of spice, and also to support your circulation. An optional ingredient is 1 scoop of our clean source collagens powder for a boost of digestive, skin, joint, and bone health. Whisk together your ingredients and then set your sauce aside. Now it's time to prepare your fruit. You will want roughly 2 pounds of your favorites. Some options are apples, pears, nectarines, peaches, kiwi, strawberries. You get the point. You will want your fruit to be on the firmer side just to make it so that it's easier to slice them up. Cut your fruit into matchstick pieces. If you're using apples like I am, place them into some water with some fresh lemon juice to prevent them from browning. I am using apples and nectarines. I am also adding in some avocado for some healthy fats. After slicing up your avocado, squeeze some fresh lemon juice over top to prevent it from browning. Also, it will add some wonderful vitamin C. Now we are ready to assemble the spring rolls. To a wide bowl, add in enough warm water to submerge the rice wrappers. Take 1 wrapper at a time and place it into your water just until it slightly softens. The wrapper is going to soften more as it sits, so don't be concerned if it's not super soft at first. Place your wrapper onto a cutting board and then in the middle of your wrapper add in some of your lettuce or spinach, some of your prepared fruits and avocado, and then tightly wrap up your filling, tucking in the sides as you go. One secret I found was to make sure that my hands were clean and dry. So I had a cloth beside me and I continually was wiping just so that I could get a better grip onto the wrap. Your wraps may be bigger than mine, and if that's the case, you can definitely fit in more filling than I am. Repeat this process with the remaining wrappers and then serve with the yummy dipping sauce. Okay, let's give these fruit spring rolls a taste. Dip it in this delicious sauce. Those flavors are fantastic. I love the crunch of the apples and the nectarines in there. This yogurt sauce is really what pulls everything together. So I'll be honest with you, I did not do very well trying to roll these up. It gets really sticky. It takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of patience. You want to do something easier? I was thinking just take your lettuce and then put the fruit on top along with your avocado. Take this amazing yogurt sauce, pour it over, mix it up, and eat it that way. That's a whole lot easier. Also, you can find these delicious coconut wraps where it's just made out of coconut meat, and those would be a lot easier to wrap up too. Or if you're better at this than me, go for this. But these flavors and combinations are so good. Definitely give these flavors a try and then do it your way. Thanks so much for being with me today. Hey, get creative in the kitchen, have a lot of fun, experiment, and take amazing care of yourself. I look forward to seeing you next week. Take care. Bye-bye.